Why are you so great? What fun things have you been doing?
Um, I went to the museum.
Ooh, okay. Now, what kind of museum?
I didn't went to the museum today. I went to the museum in the weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
was it an art museum, a natural history museum? What kind of museum was it?
It's a natural. I guess very natural or like a science museum or something. And I went to
Okay.
two.
So, did it have?
I went to two.
Ooh, you went to two different ones. So, an art museum would have just like paintings and sculptures and art. A natural history museum would have things like dinosaur bones.
Yes.
And maybe things on electricity or the human body.
Yes, it's just that. Just that.
Okay. So, what was your favorite part of the museum?
The ancient ocean part.
Ooh, the ancient ocean part. Okay. Why was that so great? What did you enjoy?
I enjoy the ocean. That's why. It's really simple. And
Okay.
And there's also one thing I wanted to mention.
Okay.
And I forgot it.
Now, when you say the ocean, was it like an aquarium that had live fish? Or was it just like a museum that had like fish bones and whales and artifacts?
Not bones. Like it's the ancient one, so it's not like full of animals today. It's like
okay, so not a big aquarium, but ancient ocean artifacts. Okay.
Yeah, like when the dinosaurs were here. Okay, maybe not when the dinosaurs were here, but like close to when the dinosaurs are here.
Oh, okay. Were there any cool fossils or bones or anything like whale bones? No.
It's. I said.
Okay.
It's showing you the ones like the ancient ones, like when the dinosaurs were about to live. Yeah. And at that time.
For dinosaurs.
Yep,
okay.
And fun fact, at that time the Nautilus was the top predator because there was no predators, and it was the biggest life form in the ocean. But but it didn't last long when Dunkleosteus came.
Oh, okay. So these are prehistoric animals from long ago. Okay. Yeah. There's a whole class at Classover about the different animals that lived in the ocean a long time ago. And we work on all of those vocabulary words in that class.
Scorpion.
Isn't that pretty cool? Look at that one.
Sea scorpion. Yeah, that looks pretty cute. And just to mention, I think my favorite animal in like the two favorite animals in the prehistoric ocean was first the Nautilus, second the Tully monster. Here, I'll explain. Ooh. Actually, there was a Tully monster on the picture you showed me, the first one.
Okay.
So it's
this
like,
one?
Yeah, like you see the one with the long mouth thing? Yeah, that's a Tully monster. The monster was discovered, I don't remember how many years ago, and scientists were very stunned by this creature. Here's another drawing from another video I saw. It looked like this.
Okay.
Not quite like the one on the picture you showed me.
Okay.
And basically, the scientists are still researching for these Tully monsters, and
Okay.
at first they thought they had to know what type of animal it is, like a mammal, an amphibian, or whatever. And so clearly clearly they thought it was an amphibian first, but then a group of Japanese scientists analyzed something. I forgot what it is. I have to watch the video again, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a dead carcass of that thing, or a fossil we can call. The
probably a fossil.
Yeah, the dead carcass I meant was that the fossil looked like they drew the fossil. I think it was accidental because they drew the fossil into a very dry Tully monster. So I'm not sure if that's a fossil. So I said it's a dry carcass, but I'm pretty sure that should have been a fossil. But like scientists still don't know what animal this is and how the heck it was alive.
Okay.
And because many people don't understand what a Tully monster looks like, I'm pretty interested in those. But I'm just interested. I still like the Nautilus more because they look cute.
Okay.
They look like.
Well, I have a question.
They look like
Go ahead.
elves, like squid elves.
Kind of, right? But they were big, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, I have questions. Of course, talking about today's topic, right, about ecosystems. First, can you tell me what is an ecosystem? Do you know?
An ecosystem is a place where many animals live. An ecosystem has food webs. And okay, I'm kind of confused, so I'm just gonna circle this fish real quick, and we'll talk about it later. So an ecosystem is basically like a place with sunlight, water, and lakes, and like it's basically somewhere for like animals to live. Like there are a lot of life forms there, like plants, duckweeds, pufferfish. I'm not sure why there's a pufferfish here. And many aquatic and on land mammals or stuff. Yeah. And now let's talk about the fish. It has googly
Okay, hold
eyes.
on. Wait a minute. So when I say the word habitat, we're talking about the places, right? Like the places. Like my habitat would be my house, my neighborhood grocery store, maybe a restaurant, the school, the places, right? But the ecosystem, of course, this is the big word here, right? The system of how all of life, right? Eco, life, the system, how all of those different life forms work together, right? In that habitat or in that environment, okay? So it's not just the place, it's how all of the things work together. Not just the sun or the water or the land, but also how the plants, the animals, the fish, the reptile, all of the things work together to help each other, right? Okay, so let's talk about your ecosystem. What do you see in this ecosystem? What's going on here?
I see a Tully monster, and I also see many plants. And a plant
plants?
Yeah, and a plant that looks like a cup. And I also see a fish.
All right, now is this above water or underwater?
That's underwater, for sure.
Absolutely, that's right. In this one, it's underwater. We do have land, though, right? The land is on the very bottom, right? And then we have lots of little things and lots of big things. Some little plants, some big plants. Some little animals, some big animals. Lots of things were happening in this ecosystem that you saw at the museum, right? Okay, now how is that different from this ecosystem in this picture?
This ecosystem has duckweeds, and I don't know why, but a pufferfish and clouds and more duckweeds and the lake. And some
so this is above water and below water. We have two different things going on here, right?
Yep.
But they all work together, right? They're not separate. They're all together, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, we call these cattails. Did you call them duckweeds? Is that what you called them?
I thought they were duckweeds.
We call them cattails. Right? Or, yeah, I know, it's funny, but that's just what we call them here in Texas. We call them cattails, but they're also above water plants and below water plants, right?
Wow.
Pretty cool. Pretty good. Now, does your nautilus live here in this ecosystem?
No, I'm not sure.
No. He lives out in the ocean. Well, not now, but he would have a long time ago lived in the ocean.
Yeah,
right?
He lived in the ocean.
So this is a freshwater ecosystem. What does that mean?
A freshwater ecosystem means that, like, it's an ecosystem that's in the freshwater.
Yes, not the ocean, which would be salt water.
Yeah,
right?
That's salt water, very salty, and when you drink it, you
That's
probably
right.
puke because it's too salty, and it is salty, to be honest. And if people try to lick it, they're probably not very smart then.
Now, I think, this is my opinion, I don't know for a fact, I believe this is an AI generated picture. I think it's beautiful, but if there's a puffer fish in freshwater, that's not right? Puffer fish live in the ocean, right?
Yep.
So I think this is either just a mistake, right? Or maybe this is just made on a computer. All right. Very good. Helping me figure out ecosystems. Good job.
Well,
and of course, in this book, we're going to be looking at living things and non-living things. And of course, how they work together, that system. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Excellent job so far. Now, what is a non-living thing? Can you tell me?
Non-living things are things that don't live. Living things are things that live, and an ecosystem is, we already talked about that, and there's cells on the back and leaves.
Very good eyes. Yep, that was one.
And you're frozen. What's making that sound?
So can you show me a living thing in your room? Is there a living thing in your room?
Like in this particular room or outside?
No, you. You're a living thing in your room, right?
Yeah, and
if
you say outside, then that's my dad and my pet and Hamora and my fish little
That's
orange.
Right.
There was a little golden fish named Ignat, but sadly he passed away because I gave him too much food. Yeah.
Okay.
And of course we can't forget about the turtle. His name is Honey Pie. We thought he was a girl, but then we found out that tail is pointy, so he's a boy. And of course, we have the king of this of the living room.
Okay, just one.
The king of the living room, which is Mochi, my pet lovebird, aka the bird that flies around when he's free and likes to squawk when he hears someone or hears some movements. Yeah, I think he's squawking outside right now.
Okay, what about, can you tell me one non-living thing?
Cookie.
My cup is a non-living thing. Oh, and your cookie is a non-living thing? Like a real cookie, or are you talking about the name of a toy?
I said a real cookie.
Oh, a real cookie, Okay. All right, and of course we know that all of these things interact with each other. Even the non-living things help us to thrive in our ecosystem, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's keep going. You're doing great. Can you read this one for me?
Plants, the foundation. Of course, the foundation. They extract nutrients from soil and require water to grow.
Yeah.
Animals. Animals, the consumers, definitely, because cows eat the plants and plants are the producers, in case someone forgot.
Yes.
They utilize plants for food and shelter.
Good.
Tiny living things, and I have just the one picture for that. The recyclers. Actually, I think you meant the decomposers, but whatever, we're going with that. Bacteria break down dead material, returning nutrients.
Okay. And we have this whole cycle, right? Mm-hmm. Of things that grow and eat and die and grow and eat and die. Yeah, very good. That's right. Now, we're going to do a component analysis of the living, or the biotic. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What is a component analysis? What does that mean? Do you know? Any guesses?
I guess it might be like a competitive, because component is like it sounds kind of like competitive.
It does sound kind of like it, but a component is the piece of, or a part of, like a big puzzle. Okay, so a component is just one piece of the puzzle. We're going to look at all the different pieces or components of these ecosystems. Okay. What does analysis mean?
Analysis means like analyzes.
Yes, to analyze. That's the base word. Good job.
And there's a leaf.
We're going to... Okay. So we're going to analyze or really closely look at the plants. Then we're really going to look at the animals. Then we're going to look at...
You're frozen.
All right. The classroom says it's working on my side, and there's no interruption in the internet or anything on this side. So I'm not sure why it's freezing on your side. Okay.
I don't think the rocket has some problems. I turned it off.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not really sure, but I'm glad that when we refresh the classroom, it reconnects your internet and everything too. So we got it. Just let me know if it freezes for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. So again, an analysis is just a really close look at all of these things, okay?
Okay.
All right. What does biotic mean? Any guesses?
Biotic means like a living thing.
So what does bio mean? Anytime you see that word, what does bio mean?
Live.
Yeah, it means life, right?
Mm-hmm.
So bio always means life. Okay, then. So what does this word mean?
Tick.
Oop, hold on.
Tick.
What does this word mean?
Biology.
Anytime you see the word ology, it means the study of. The study of
life.
Ding, 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 ding. That's right. Biology means the study of life. Very good. Very good. All right. You're so smart, Ivanka. All right. Here we go. Component analysis. Can you read this one?
The non-living abiotic.
Abiotic
or abiotic, whatever.
Keep going.
The support system, living things cannot function without these non-living inputs, which is sunlight. I know there's no blue sun, whatever, I'm just going with that. Water.
Okay.
And air. Like that. And the soil. Like, oh, wait, there it is. That. Sunlight provides energy and warmth. Water and air are the essential intake for biological processes. I just can't see. Soil provides physical anchor points and chemical nutrients.
Yes.
Synthesis. An ecosystem is defined by how life utilizes these static elements.
Very good. Very good. Excellent reading, too. Good job. All right. Abiotic. What does that mean?
Abiotic means not living.
That's right. The A means not, and then bio means life. So not living. Yeah, very good. Breaking up your word. Good. Remember, it always helps to break up your words so that you understand things. It helps you understand things, other words, when you run into them later on. Okay? All right. So we have sunlight, which gives us energy and warmth. We knew that one. You knew that one. Water and air, which are essential. What does essential mean?
Essential means like
gotta have it. We wouldn't work without it, right? Ooh, so for me, my essential things are my coffee and my water, right? I have to have both. Let's see, other essential things that I have to have. Ooh, I usually like to have my phone too, right? Do you have any essential things for your life?
Water.
Yeah. Maybe your favorite stuffed toy. Or maybe your favorite food, right?
I guess maybe not favorite food, just food and air. And you also need a mom if you're a child, and you don't need a mom too much when you are a teenager. I said mom, I mean the parents, because I just said mom because I just saw my mom.
Well, you know what? I just, as an older person, I've got to tell you, you always need your mom. You always need your dad, right? You always need those people in your life who love you very much. They are always essential. All right, now we're talking about essential intake for biological processes. Ooh, what does that mean? Do you know? Biological processes.
Like a process about learning living things or life?
Well, in this case, biological processes are living, right? Breathing, eating. We would not survive without water. We would not survive without air, right?
Mm-hmm.
For our bodies to continue living, we need these, okay? All right. You have done a very, very good job beginning this new lesson. And great job breaking up some of your words. Ooh, are you pointing out your mom? Hi, Mom. And don't forget, dads are essential too, okay?
Okay.
And grandmas and grandpas and aunts and uncles and cousins. All right. I want you, this is your homework assignment, okay?
Okay.
I want you to think of some of your essential things. Do you have to have sunlight every day? Do you have to have soil every day?
I do not.
What do you need?
Let me think. I think I would need maybe food.
Well, you're supposed to think about it after class.
Yeah.
Ooh, and maybe think about one other thing. Maybe pick one other thing. Maybe a plant or another animal. Think about what their essential things are too. Okay?
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe your nautilus. What was essential for a nautilus a long time ago? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So you think about those things in your ecosystem, and I'll think about some in mine too. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Excellent job today, starting a new class. I'll see you next time. Bye, Ivanka.
Bye. See you next time.
Thank you.